said, tell them, hey, that's what I don't really do with my time. Hey, following everybody's instructions. Hey, skatik mina mfethu vele imali. Hey, ingako ngivuka ekuseni ngenza iplan. Hey, ukuthi home gonna get the money. Ukuze ngiphile mnandi, abancane bafunda kimi. Sekuhlwile hamba kini, ubuye kusasa emini. Hey, I'm on a huge table with my NMC inyama. I'm the nigga elingabandi intwana suka sami. We can travel all night, wanna challenge me, you gotta be dope, reason why you gotta be stuck by me now, working on this shit, mihla nemish, they call me double one for a reason, my pizza's flavor double steak in, all the niggas want a piece of me, I thank my vacas for this fucking shit, all the niggas wanna beef with me, come let's settle it. Funi mali no mi feet check say, funi mbinda no, zokshange earpod, zokshange earpod, all the niggas wanna beef with me, come let's settle it. Funi mali no mi feet check say, funi mbinda no, zokshange earpod, it says zokshange earpod, independence, independence, vele ngimele independence, indie, but the double ones on the square, uzwa matekeni ati hey, showcase I'm here to roll, I'm here to stay, ngizobamba nalo bheka tuyayitshela ngiyakutshela, when we do the thing uzocheka ngempela, phela never thought lena ndwayi umpetha. I got incwaba yama fans like Father Mandela, social media ma photos akhona things to make, independence, independence, phela ngimele independence, 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 vele ngimele independence, indie, double 1 2